get into this box. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings. It is fall time, you guys. I'm so pumped. This is the best season of the year. I love fall time. So we're going to be diving into the FabFitFun Fall 2024 box. This is my PR unboxing that we're going to look at. It is my first look at the products that are available for this season, and there are a lot of them. So we're going to dive into these. Hopefully they're all good, but I'm going to give you guys my feedback too if you should avoid them or not, but let's check it all out. As always, if you guys are interested in purchasing this FabFitFun subscription, I do have coupon codes down below. I also have my link available. Right now, you guys can save some money off if you would like to purchase this as a seasonal or quarterly member, or I actually have a coupon code that will save you money off of your annual subscription if you'd like to do that. Now, the great thing is if you sign up right now, you will get the fall box and you're able to customize your entire box. Now, like I said, this is my PR box that I'm opening up. I do have my personal subscription to FabFitFun. I will be getting that soon. I think it's shipped actually, but I don't have it yet. And then I ordered 4 mystery boxes, you guys. Yeah, like seriously 4 of them. Because I gotta tell you, I did not have enough time to look at all of the different products and to go through them and see what was worth it. So I was like, you know what, why not? Let's just get 4 boxes and we'll check out all the products and see what happens. Don't do what I do, you guys. I'm crazy. I shouldn't do that, but I do it. So inside of our box, wow. It's like a billboard in here. So I think Ricola is definitely the sponsor for this box. I do think it's clever. You know, we're going into fall, you know, why not have Ricola around? But it is a very colorful, I mean, when you go from this to this, it's like, hello. It is a beautifully designed box, I will say. So it says Fall Breeze and Autumn Leaves on our inside. And then, oh, you guys, look at all the orange. I deliberately wore orange just for this box today. I'm so excited. I love fall, you guys. I cannot wait. Oh yeah, this is the travel mug. So this looked really good. And as a person that drinks coffee and tea like religiously, I knew I would use this. This is a ceramic lined travel mug. It's vacuum insulated and has 0 flavor transfer, which is great. 22-ounce cup. It is stainless steel, moisture-free exterior, so it's not going to sweat or have any condensation either. And I think, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure there were different colors to choose from, like there were 2 of them. So this is the one that I have here. I'm pretty sure I chose this. I think I chose this color, but look at how cute it is. So I like that it is an orange, but it's almost like a coral orange, because I feel like I have like full-on orange going on, and this is a little bit, you see that pink undertone in there, so I think it's a little bit off of orange, but very nice mug. This is what your lid looks like. Like I said, it's all stainless steel. Love that it's ceramic lined in there. These are great because they're easy to clean. Oh, the lid is definitely secure, you guys. Like, I mean, this lid, you really have to apply a lot of force to open it, and then to shut it even, like, it takes a lot of effort. For me, I kind of like it because, you know, if I'm in a hurry, I'm not gonna spill anything. But I do feel like if my grandmother were to have this, it might be too difficult for her to use. So just keep that in mind. It is a really tricky lid. Maybe it's just mine, but it does seem really difficult to open and close. So that would be the only thing I would say be careful with this one. But other than that, I do think this is great and I do approve of it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, this is really good. I already wholeheartedly approve of you guys. Like, this is comfortable. It's soft. Look at this color. It's also really big too, which is even better. Okay, this one is a huge one. I don't even know who this is by. I love it though. So this is by Sunday Citizen is the brand on here. This blanket is the most gorgeous orange color ever. And it is so soft and cozy. So this is what it looks like here. There is a little bit of stretch to it, but not a lot. But oh my gosh, you guys, this is This is what you want to go to a drive-in movie with. You know what I mean? Like you're sitting out watching your movie, got your popcorn, you're cuddled up with your blanket. This is what I want. You totally didn't just see that stick to my lip gloss, did you? No? Okay, good. I'm glad you didn't. You know what's great too about this is I'm not seeing anything like falling off of it. So it is made really well. Sometimes you'll see like fuzzies, or I'll look down and it's like all over my shirt, or there's flyaways everywhere. I don't have that issue with this one. So this is a really good blanket. I mean, do I need another throw blanket? No, but like this is amazing. Look at the little pumpkin on here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's even cuter in person. So this is from Tony Moly, and it is the pumpkin eye cream. No. Let me get this right. It is the Plumpkin eye cream. This is a retinol eye cream. It is a full-size beauty product. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be the best pumpkin I picked this year. I can already tell. This is so adorable. Look at your cute little pumpkin. I am loving the fall theme in this box, you guys. So it looks like you just twist this here and then you'll have your eye cream all down below. This cream does have retinol inside of it, so just be careful with that. Sometimes it can be a very strong ingredient, so if you've never tried retinol before, use a very small amount, just do a test area and just see if your skin can handle it. If not, there's lots of other alternatives out there, but it's great at getting rid of fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, anything like that. So this will also help to plump and tighten that area. Oh, also this product is cruelty free, and it does state that there's actual pumpkin extracts in here as well. So that's even better that you're getting pumpkin. I thought it was just pumpkin packaging, but no, it is. Now, of course, FabFitFun is going to have some really great beauty products this season, as they always do. This product I've already tried, and I do approve of this product. So if you guys are looking for a nighttime moisturizer, this is a really good one. It is a full-size product. It's from the brand called One Kind. This is the Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. It is 50 ml of product. It does appear small. Like at first glance, you're like, well, maybe this isn't full size, but it is. This is just the size that they make it in. But it is a nighttime moisturizer, so it gives you lots of hydration overnight. And like I said, it's just very soft. I felt like it worked. It made my skin feel really smooth as well. So this one I do approve of. I was happy to actually see this on the FabFitFun website. Ooh, next up, it looks like we have some jewelry here. So this one is from a brand called Ellie Veil. And inside, oh, we've got some gold hoops. Perfect. I love gold. I mean, you guys, could you tell? I mean, gold's like my jam right now. Like I'm still in a gold era. These hoops are all hypoallergenic and they're water resistant as well. So if you guys are going swimming still, hitting up the beach, you could definitely wear these and they're still gonna look great. And honestly, I feel like hoops go with everything. I feel like you just always need a good pair of hoops, like just to have as a backup, because they go with every look. You can make them casual with just like jeans and a t-shirt, or you can really dress it up and wear it with a nice dress as well. They're versatile and they go with all of it. Last up inside of my box today is from SashaOne. This is a hair cream protectant. So it is a full-size product at 5.1 ounces. This brand is a really good brand. It is designed to protect your hair from any environmental damage or heat as well. So if you are using like blow dryers or curling irons, this is a great cream to apply to your hair. Now, it does mention that it is protecting your hair up to 200. No, that's Celsius. It's up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. And it says it will also help to detangle your hair and provide moisture and shine back to it. So even if you're not using heat products, you could just put this on and it will help to give moisture back to your hair and give you a little bit of shine as well. But if you are going to be using, like I said, a blow dryer or a curling iron, definitely always have a heat protectant on, because this will save your hair in the long run. So that is everything inside of my FabFitFun Fall 2024 box, you guys. I love it. But seriously, my favorite item, this blanket, you guys. I'm telling you, it is so perfect. I have so many throw blankets, you guys. I probably have 12 of them. I have more throw blankets than I do people in my house. So I don't need another one, but I love this blanket. It is so soft. It's made really well. It's not falling apart. I don't have all of these flyaways. Like, it feels great. I love the color. It's just, it is so perfect for fall. So if you are able to customize your box and this choice is available, I highly recommend it, you guys. It's amazing. But again, I do think this is a really good box. I like the fall vibes that you're seeing. Now, what's great is that you can customize your entire box for the fall season. If you don't want any fall aspects, I did see that there's enough beauty products in every single category. You could go with a very generic box as well. You don't have to go with the fall vibes, but I love them. It's my favorite season, so if I can get anything fall-oriented, I'm gonna do it. But again, if you guys would like to see my future boxes, I have so many coming. I have at least 4 of them on the way. So we're gonna do more unboxings as well. We're gonna check out all of the other products that are out there. You guys can see my mystery boxes, but this hopefully will give you your first glance. I think this is a very cute, cozy season. So if you're interested, I got that link and code down below. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!